Hi, welcome to my review of the XTR57.2 from Orion, a name that's been around for a lot of years. Now this 5x7 features a metal tweeter, a polypropylene cone. We're going to go through a full unboxing, and I'm going to do a head-to-head listening against an OEM speaker. You might be asking me why, is I don't want you to buy the speaker and go, you know what, it's not what I wanted. And it's nothing against the speaker, it's just all speakers sound unique. And so I'm going to use this OEM speaker head to head against the Orion speaker, so to see if you get the sound you're looking for. You might like it better for podcasts, you might like it for dance music. It's all one of those things that makes it different, but that's why we're going to go deep dive, unboxing, listening text, and a review. And spoiler alert, it comes with a sticker. All right, let's jump right in. All right, as we jump into the unboxing, you'll just see it says polypropylene paper cone, as you saw as well. So it's a paper cone coated, rubber surround, goes into the high 1-inch blah blah blahs. Like I said, big thing was neodymium silk dome tweeter. That's a little bit different. You see silver connections, and then you'll see it's 75 watts RMS to 300 watts peak. And the sensitivity, it's all kind of there. It is 4 ohms, so it matches most car audio speakers. Now, as I alluded to earlier, the coveted sticker. I admit it, I'm still a sucker for making these things smile and making me happy. For my toolbox, my bumper, my car, whatever, full manual. Orion does have a nice cardboard insert, and then opening these up. And as you can see here, you can see the polypropylene paper cone, the neodymium tweeter. Now the one thing I did want to have, and hopefully this is going to come across okay, is this is an OEM speaker, and what I wanted to show was the screw holes line up perfectly. I joke about that, guys, but I've had some speakers out there in the past that don't exactly line up that well. One little add-on I'd like to tell you about it here is this connector is a Mazda connector in this case. All right, you might have a Ford, you might have a Nissan, you might have anything, and it is very different to this speaker connector. This one here uses a standard, you'll see the speakers use, they're like little spade clips that are used in many manufacturers, but it's not going to mate up to this. So I do suggest buying a speaker adapter. I'll link one down below. I'll use a Toyota for example, and you can go from there. And you'll also notice that one thing the Orion has is nice oversized magnet, but also it has, this is a crossover. What this is, to make it so only the symbols or high voices go to this tweeter for efficiency. It's one of the few 5x7s, and I've tested 5 of them now, that actually have an outboard capacitor or crossover built into it. I think that's a pretty cool feature. And one other nice aspect, I'm just going to slide this off to the side, as I just want to show the depth. You'll see they're essentially the same. I know it's a little bit hard, but and that's why I'm just saying it'll fit into your OEM. I'll just do the back now. All right, guys, like I said, a little bit bigger magnet, and you might say, well, it's just because the tweeter is sticking out the front a little bit, which is just shy of, a little smidge. But usually, guys, in 5x7s, the problem is not the girth or the width of the magnet, it's the depth is the biggest problem with 5x7s. Let's jump right into the listening test.
When I was only changing me, open one's heart for those things. Always doing what I want. Crazy, crazy, crazy night. Lost is all you mesmerize. You know everyone was versatile. This was my step.
Golden sand,
Ocean blue,
feel the sun.
we have the fun.
Keys Islands, beautiful breeze. Keys Islands, tropical vibes.
What'd you think? Did you like the difference with the silk dome neodymium tweeter, the polypropylene cone, difference to the OEM speaker. That's one of the big differences that prominent in the voice you're hearing is because the tweeter difference. Now this is what they call a whizzer tweeter. Some people call it a whizzer cone. I'm just trying to keep it easy for you guys. I think you'll agree you can hear a difference. Now, if it sounds good to you, that's your call, unfortunately. Do you listen to podcasts? Do you listen to music? I think it's an all-around, it's a pretty decent speaker. I've been super happy with it. And you know, one thing Orion has done, which is nice, is it's well packaged, it's good. It comes with a Go Fast sticker. Just an all-arounder. You know, if you're looking for an improvement, I actually think the speaker was pretty good. All right, so if you're looking to expand on a little more, have a look around, check it out, the link down below, and I'll have a link to it. Now, that being said, if you want to keep comparing, if you want to compare this to the Kicker, I'm going to put a video here, and I have a head-to-head with OEM, Orion, or Kicker. It's switching back and forth in real time so you can listen to the performance. And once you finish that video, let me know what you like better. Did you like the Kicker, the Orion, or the OEM? Thanks for popping by.